So we're here with Dr. Bill today at North Raleigh Periodontics. Dr. Bill just had his third round of Nightlase. Dr. Bill, would you give us a bit of an impression of your time with it?
I can't say enough good things about it. My sleeping partner began to complain because she couldn't sleep, and it really has made a big difference. Made a big difference. She's happy, I'm happy. It was painless, it was easy, quick. I couldn't be happier about it. I would recommend it.
Gotcha. And as far as the amount of time that it takes, there's no downtime or any problems, any pain, any?
No downtime at all. You're eating and drinking right away, and it was great.
Awesome. Thanks, Dr. Bill.
Absolutely.